Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how you can get a easy and quick villager trading rule. So let's get started. So in 1.16.3 the double carpet got patched, which means you need now 3 carpets. As you can see, if I place a villager on a double carpet, it will run away. If I place it on a triple carpet, it won't run away, it will stay there. I've tested this out so many times and I come to one conclusion, that this works. So you will need all of these items for one module only. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to be placing it 1 block high. So get your block like this and another block in front of it and then one going on top of it. Get yourself your carpet, place 3 like this, 2 like this and 2 like this. Get your profession block and place it in the middle, and then get your block of your choice and then get your observer, remove the block of your choice, place the string up there and place your block of your choice like this, and then another block like this, and then your observer on top of it, and then a sticky piston going out like this. Place your redstone block like this and a fence gate underneath it, and that's your module done. And all you have to do now is repeat it, so I'm gonna quickly do it like this. Okay, and then after that you would place down your trapdoors like this, so all going like this, so the villagers won't fall into any block pots, they would fall directly into their designated area. Also place the trapdoors like this in front of the other trapdoors so that the villagers won't fall out and they'll land directly onto the carpet. So you place down your blocks like this, place your trapdoor like this, and then your blocks going around it. You could get a minecart and place a zombie and name tag it as well. Place a block like this and get your zombie to spawn inside up here. And then get your remaining blocks and cover it up so that the villagers won't fall out of here and they'll fall directly inside this. And also don't forget to close up the other side so they won't fall out. Okay, with all of that in place, just place your villagers now inside here. Just get a minecart and let them to fall directly inside of here, and then place all of your villagers correspondingly. Okay, they will turn into the desired roles. Oops. And if you don't like the villager, you can just knock it and kill it off. Don't break off anything else, otherwise you'll have to rebuild this module again. But that's it. And then you could just chain it up and get yourself a cheap discount if you zombify the villages. But yeah, this is mostly of the video. I hope you like it. Please comment, rate and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.